Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Brandy Cobbler. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Brandy, I have here from Napa Distillery, simple syrup, club soda, a maraschino cherry, and an orange. 5 items. It's still time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, a bar spoon, a knife, a bottle opener, and a cocktail pick. First step, we're going to prepare our garnish. Cut your orange in half. Cut another piece. We'll save this for the garnish. Grab your bottle of brandy. I want to give actually a shout out to my friend Todd. Thanks, Todd. He actually got me this brandy from Napa. All right, open the bottle. Pour 2 ounces of brandy into the glass. Grab your simple syrup. Pour 1/2 ounce of simple syrup into the glass. Add ice. Stir your drink. Now, take your club soda. Open the bottle. Pour 2 ounces of club soda into your drink. Open your maraschino cherries. The last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Brandy Cobbler. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.